Autoslide is the new solution that automatically opens and closes sliding doors in your home. Autoslide easily attaches to most existing, yes, your existing sliding door. Perfect for your pets, the elderly, and physically challenged.
I think the Autoslide is a really good solution for people with mobility issues, and also if they've got pets, it makes it easier for them. They don't have to keep getting up and down to open the door for the dogs.
Call now to order your Autoslide 1300 288 675 or visit autoslide.com.